Here is how you can apply for your new 10-inch smart tablet with free high-speed monthly internet. Start by clicking the Apply link. Once you're on this page, enter your zip code and email address and click the Continue button. Here are the next steps to enroll. Fill out your personal information on page 1, including your name, date of birth, phone number, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Check the box for who you are applying under and the 2 checkboxes giving your consent to process your ACP application. Then click Continue. On the next page, enter your personal address, check the appropriate boxes, then click Continue. Select Yes or No to question 1 to proceed. You can qualify for the Affordable Connectivity Program by showing that you already participate in one of the government assistance programs on this page. Select the program that shows that you, your dependent, or someone in your household qualifies for the ACP program. If you do not currently participate in one of the programs listed, you may be able to qualify based on income. You may be required to show proof of your participation in the program you choose or show proof of income. If your application is still pending in the National Verifier, click on the Complete National Verifier button on this page to update your information in the National Verifier database. On the Affordable Connectivity Program National Verifier page, click Next to accept the terms and conditions and proceed. If your method of eligibility is automatically verified, you will receive a message stating that you qualify for the Affordable Connectivity benefit. If you were not automatically verified, you will be asked to upload additional documents to prove that you qualify. Review your information and make sure that it is correct. Then click Next. Once you're on the agreement page, carefully read and initial next to each statement you certify. Type your legal name, check the box, and click the Submit button to finish your application. You will receive a confirmation email message once your application is verified and approved. Please contact us through our website if you have any questions or need additional assistance.